Dapat pala, tinelas na lang. Saan pala mag-ano?
Paano yung i-dig?
Ha? Kunti lang dito ah.
I found an egg. It's an open egg, no?
Okay, Titrael. Bigyan ko ng ano lang. Malap, lap.
Want to dig up? Dig, dig, dig.
Titrael! It's here! It's probably here. It's probably here. Dig it, dig. Look! Look! What's that? No, may nakita sila.
Ano nilagay mo?
Chocolate.
May chocolate talaga yan? Kanina?
May nilagay. Kinuha ko dito sa ano.
Oh, you got chocolate, Rael.
You got chocolate. You want to eat that? Oh, tago mo yung egg. Give to mama.
Lagay mo sa bag. Bug. Yay! Oh, there's something inside. You want to open it?
Break the egg. Don't remove your jacket. It's cold.
On the blue egg.
The blue egg is here.
Open it. Open. There's something inside of the egg. Come on. Can you open it?
No,
No, you don't want? Why
I don't
not?
want blue egg.
Open na yung egg. Dali. Nahanap niya, Lox.
I don't like.
Oh, ang galing ah.
I don't like to open it.
There's something inside. Look. Oh.
No.
Wala ba? Meron, oh. Something is inside.
Open na na. Eh. Hindi na daw siya maghanap eh.
Ayun
Tired
yun
na daw siya. This one, open na. Dali na. Break the egg. Dali.
May
I
sasakyan.
don't like to open it.
Ayan, naglalagay ng egg. Yan o.
I don't like to open it. I don't like it.
Ay,
May
naku
laman.
ka.
May laman.
Ano ba yan? Tingnan na natin. Nag-suspense ka pa.
What you close it?
It's not match. Hindi nagmamatch.
Wow! Wala!
Wow! Dikit pa oh.
Wow! What's that?
Wank. Wank. Are you happy? What's the feeling? What's the feeling? How does it feels like? How does it feels like this one? How do you describe this one?
How de karab.
Okay. Okay. Okay, my shit. Okay, this one.
No, you can't. It's not much.
I don't like
Bakit hindi match? pala open lang siya.
Open it.
How do you open? How do you open an egg?
Open it.
Oh, you have to open
How
an
do you
egg.
open
How
the
do
egg?
you open?
Smash it here. Smash.
Here, on the wood.
Smash on the wood.
Is it working?
It's not working.
It's not working.
Okay, okay. It's up. It's up open. Wow! Okay. Save him. What's the name?
Baby chick.
Baby chick. How do you describe that one?
Color.
What's the feeling? How do you feel when you squish him?
It's squishy.
Squishy.
Wing. Wing. Oh, saya na siya. Oh. You want to look for more?
No.
Oh, isa lang pala gusto niya eh.
Did you have fun? Yes. Are you happy? Are you happy? Huh?
Go! Watch your car! Watch your car!